one, and someone requested I make a video on how to make money on guarantee sales. How to make money on guarantee sales. So if you have been wanting to know how to make money on guarantee sales, this video is right for you. Okay, so you can share with your downlines, you can share on your group, so your downlines can also know how to make money on guarantee sales. So ensure you watch to the very end so you can understand the process of making money on guarantee sales. So let's get started. To make money on guarantee sales, first you need to understand that 5 billion sales does nothing apart from selling sales, like getting you sales. That is their major aim when it comes to guarantee sales. Like that is their major aim. Now, how do you get your own money? You need to invest first. Now, the investment I'm talking about here is like you need to buy an advert, and it costs only $269, $269 to get a guarantee sale advert. That's the first step to make money. So you need to invest that first by you paying for it. Don't think it's too much. If you see people that advertise on other platforms online, if they tell you how much they spend on adverts in a year, then you will know that $269 is nothing. In fact, it's little compared to what they spend online. So only those people, only the people that understand the importance of marketing or the importance of advertising in business, and we understand that this 5 billion sales offer is huge, is unique, and it's one of its kind. So now to make money on guarantee sales, 5 billion sales, we like when you order for your advert, 5 billion sales, we deliver 155,000 profit share, like $155,000 profit share to you. So then you pay them 34%. The 34% you pay is $52,700. Now, if you subtract that from the major amount, which is $155,000, you will have 100 and I think, yeah, about $102,000 or so, around that. Now, if you multiply that by three, that's over $300,000 in a year. Now, tell me, what business can you be doing that you will generate such amount? I don't know. You can convert that to your own currency, to your local currency, and see what business can you do in a year that will generate such for you without you putting too much effort. Now, 5 billion is just doing everything for you. They're running the advert. You're not stressing yourself on getting adverts. Everything is done for you on 5 billion sales, isn't it? So now calculate everything together. When you pay them, when you pay 5 billion sales, they're 34%, you are left with um over $300,000. Yeah, you're left with over $300,000 for yourself. Now tell me, which business can you do all by yourself, and then you know that the only profit you make, like you generate, is over $300,000 in a year. Be truthful to yourself, just say the truth. Then compare this, you will see that 5 billion sales is really giving you huge opportunity. Now that is just how to make money. That's how to make money on 5 billion sales. When you first have to buy, order for guarantee sales adverts. When you order for it, then um um make do your advert, like make everything available for 5 billion sales, your website, what your products, your business is all about. Just fill up everything, fill up every information that 5 billion sales need to promote your business, and then you wait for them to deliver the advert for you within a year. It's not even up to a year. That's just the truth. But they just said within a year. But if you look at it very well, it's not up to a year. So that is how you make your money. You're making over $300,000 free in an easy and simple way. Simple way. If you have any other question or you would like me to make any other video, you can just drop that on the comment section and I will attend to it. Thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to share with your downlines. Don't forget that when you're making money, your downline also must make money. Okay, all right, before I forget, oh, no, another way to make money on guarantee sales is either you yourself, you order for your adverts, or you get advertisers to buy guarantee sales. Now if you don't have the money, you don't have $269 to advertise, or like to get guarantee sales, you can get advertisers to get it. So you as an affiliate, you will be paid first. You will be paid $20 within a month, and after that, when 5 billion sales deliver sales or deliver profit to the advertiser, they will, just the way the advertiser pays 5 billion sales 34%, which is 52,700. 5 billion sales will also pay you $1,000. Now, not just once, but they will pay you thrice. So anytime they deliver adverts to the advertiser, 5 billion sales will also deliver your own commission to you 3 times in a year. So that means you can also make money from guarantee sales by getting advertisers to advertise on 5 billion sales, like getting advertisers to buy guarantee sales, and then you earn $3,020. That's another way. So that's all for today's video. Share with your friends, share with your downline, share in your group, share your WhatsApp group, your Telegram group, and then let's make this money together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye. Till we see in the next video.